Arisaig campsite on a beautiful, beautiful sunny morning. We've just had breakfast. Guy is just washing the dishes.
Yes, again. When are you going to start doing your share? You're supposed to be the deckhand. I'm the skipper.
I'm the entertainer.
I'm the skipper. Look at that and put to the work of slavery.
I can see egg over there just through a beautiful warm mist, and the water looks amazing. We're going to have a great time kayaking down to Arisaig itself. Fantastic place. Just about to set off from our campsite to go around all the little skerries near Arisaig. Guy is absolutely cooking already, so he's taking off his top.
T-shirt's coming on. I'm just too warm.
It is absolutely fantastic. The sun is shining, it's blue sky, the water is so calm. It's absolutely fantastic.
Okay, on you go, you want to come on, you want to tell us what we're doing? Yes.
Let's go for it.
Let's go for it. This is absolutely fantastic. We've just put the kayaks in from the beach, which is basically 20 feet away from where the camper van is, the motorhome. And now we're just heading out into the open sea to work our way around into Arisaig itself, or the skerries off it. And I am so looking forward to this. The weather's really calm, there's no wind. I had to take my wetsuit top off and just put my t-shirt on because it's warm. So let's see what the day unfolds.
This is unbelievably beautiful. We need to find a way out though, because lots of little shallow bits. Need to follow the red buoys to get out.
It's unbelievable, you thing. It's unbelievable.
You can actually see right down under the water, and it is so clear. You can see the sand and all the rocks underneath. It is just so stunning. Seaweed and stones, and it's fantastic, absolutely fantastic. Oh wow, this is stunning. I love it. Just wondering if we'll see any seals. It'd be great if we did.
Do you know what I love, Sandra? See when you look down and you just see, and you get that golden look of the sand and that kind of thing, right at the bottom. It's absolutely phenomenal. What do you think of it so far?
Absolutely love it. What do you think?
Phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal.
Guys, looking for a landing place on our first little skerry. It's absolutely beautiful weather and it's really warm. The water's great. I'm not sure whether they'll get landed because it's really rocky. But he's having a go anyway. Determined bugger.
Yeah, I think it's a winner.
Well done.
Right, hold on a wee sec. I'll help you out in a minute, right? So you're grabbing the front of the back.
I can't remember.
I've come up to about there. You just come in about this bit.
Remember, my wellies aren't as high as yours.
I know your little Mickey Mouse wellies. Is the skeg up?
Skeg's up.
Right, hold on a wee sec.
That's it. Fantastic.
Are you videoing?
I am videoing. What do you think of the trip so far?
This has got to be by far one of the best. It's absolutely brilliant here. Come on, but it's coffee time, yes.
Okay. Just get out at our first scary for a cup of coffee. This guy's getting ready. Kayaks down on the beach. And we've just seen a seal just out in the bay. It's absolutely stunning. Nobody here but us. Fantastic.
Do you want to tell us a little bit about where we are, my darling?
Well, according to the GPS, we're at coordination points 620 and 877, which is right on one of the scaries. We've got a little friend who's come to watch us.
Right in front of us right now.
He's actually quite a big friend, and he's been watching us for the last 10 minutes while we're having our coffee. We're going to mess around this scary and see if we can get out at some of the others. Just the silence is incredible. And September, and it's really warm.
It's brilliant.
It's really, really warm.
Would you like to tell us what we just saw there, you wee thing?
We just saw it in the water, playing in the water, and I'm hoping he's going to come back up. How long can we...
We stay down for about 2-3 minutes and then he'll come back up again for air. You can swim quite a distance in that time, but hopefully he'll maybe just stay in the bay. But he did see us.
Did he?
Yeah, he saw us having our coffee.
That's us back in the water after having just seen seals and the sea otter as well, and the otter's on one of the other scaries over there eating a big fish. But we're going to go the other way to see if we can see any more little coves. Can't wait. It's brilliant.
What do you think of that, you wee thing?
Love it.
Absolutely phenomenal. I'll head back that way now, aren't we?
Yeah, I better turn around so I can see anything, see my way.
Sandra is just making her way for a little group of seals which are just scattering off the island. I don't know if you'll be able to see that.
Directly ahead is a little tiny island with just loads and loads of seals on it. And I'm going to head for that right now. Although there's loads of other little islands that seem to have seals as well. So which one to pick? I'm just wondering if they'll go in the water when we arrive.
Yep, she's getting very, very close to them. That's him all away, I think. Oh, one or two are staying.
He's a big daddy seal right ahead. Lovely heron just took off. The noise is the seaweed scraping across the bottom of the boat. Wow, they're big. They are big boys. That one's in the water looking at me. The rest all scarpered. Oh God, this place is unbelievable. There's seals everywhere. This bit is like a little lagoon. The water can only be a foot deep at the most, and as clear as day. You can see all the seaweed. It's even too shallow for the seals, which is I think why the seals prefer the other side. This is really shallow.
Put your paddle in and just show us how deep it is. Wow, that is brilliant. That might be a rock right in front of you. No. This is, anybody that watches this is absolutely phenomenal. Honestly, there are thousands of little rocks and skerries the whole way around. You can just wangle in and out. And this is the reason why the boats can't come here. Am I right, you wee thing?
You're absolutely right.
They can't come in case they damage their hulls, whereas we, on the other hand, are small and we can. So, will you tell us a little bit about what's happening?
Right now, we're in the most beautiful part of the skerries. The water is so clear you can actually see all the shells immediately below us. Point it down. Look at the shells down there in the water. There's herring everywhere. I've never seen so many. They're just flying off every rock.
That is incredible, Sandra. The wildlife is everywhere.
I know.
There's a heron right at the end in front of you. We're just making our way towards a little island full of seals. Sandra is paddling vigorously to my right hand side. You're probably just about to see her coming into view. There she is. Making our way towards them. Yeah, they're just all starting to disperse and going into the water. This place is absolutely magical. And we've got it all to ourselves. Not met a single person, not a single kayaker at all today.
Seal right in the water, right in front of me. Literally right in front of me. It's a wee baby though. Look. That baby seal was so busy watching you, he didn't see me right beside him.
What? Did you enjoy that?
Yeah, look, seals are all behind us.
No, you mind about that wee thing?
They're behind us, they're in front of us.
Seal heaven.
Seal heaven.
Okay, but like all good things, it comes to an end. And we've got touring and exploring to do.
Yeah.
And then soon panini and Arisaig and my paper. Do you not agree?
Yeah, I agree, but look at them all behind you.
I know your little thing, but there's always another time.
Loads more seals up ahead. They're all diving for the water. It's incredible. There's one there. Yeah, there's cormorants taking off and see the cormorant?
Yeah, I'm trying to get him in column.
Hello, Mr. Cormorant. Woo! There he goes. Another little island, another cup of tea. But we're going to head back now and go straight down to Arisaig. Probably, how long do you think?
I'd say about an hour.
An hour? An hour? Yeah. I'm just heading for the wee island straight ahead, which has got a wee sandy beach. It's brilliant. And the bit that I'm paddling in, maybe only what, 2 feet, 3 feet deep at the most. And the water's as clear as you can get. It's lovely. Wow.
That is pretty cool.
Wow. This is amazing.
Well, you can just ground it. What do you think, you wee thing? Man, it's only about 70 feet wide.
Our own tropical island. Wow. Is this not brilliant?
It's pretty cool.
Look, more seals over there.
There's seals.
Oh God, the water's so blue. And look at the mountains. Oh, Guy, this is fabulous.
It's pretty good.
Right, so what are you doing?
I'm doing a thing called a waymark. And what the waymarks show is the wee man with the flag. It's waymark number 2. So these numbers are coordinates that you can cross-reference against an Ordnance Survey map, and it'll tell you your exact position.
Your boat's taking off, Guy.
I know. Wow. Okay, get that in film. That's quite funny. We're now about to head off to Arisaig for lunch. We should get there, it's 5 to 2, we should probably get there in about an hour, I would reckon.
I love this wee beach.
I know you love it.
like a tropical island.
It is. I wouldn't like to see it in the middle of a Scottish winter, mind you.
Yeah, true. So this is pretty little Arisaig, just coming into the little bay area.
That is the Jacobite steam train. At the very top you can just see the smoke coming out, which is quite annoying because I thought I didn't think I would see it. We could hear it, but it's just at the back of Arisaig. You can just see at the very top, just below the mountain. Tell us what's going on.
Just landed at Arisaig.
Yep.
And heading for the tea room.
Well needed.
Well needed, I'm knackered.
Come on, you wee thing.
Get back a bit.
Right, tell us a little bit about what's happening now.
We landed in Arisaig to go to our favourite little restaurant to get our brilliant dinner, and it was shut. We then went next door to the Spar to get Guy's newspaper, and they don't sell newspapers. You have to go to Mallaig or Fort William to get a newspaper. So we've come to the pub. I don't think she was very happy when we came to the pub because she had to serve us, but nevertheless.
You mean the welcoming barmaid?
Yeah, that really welcoming smile that she didn't give us. But nevertheless, we're getting some soup and a sandwich.
Yeah.
Couldn't get a toasty, but a sandwich will do, and a nice glass of sugary iron brew to get my energy levels back. Now get that off before I kick your arse.
That's no way to speak to your captain. To be continued.
Had a really nice lunch in the pub, and now we're going to head back to the campsite, which is probably going to be about an hour and a half.
What do you think of it, you wee thing?
Look at that.
It's beautiful. Are you impressed with Arisaig and its scaries?
Very impressed. A bit shallow to get through with our canoes. So Guy's actually get out of his canoe and walking it through.
If you follow me this way, I'll avoid the rocks.
And I'm going to follow him. Still sitting in my kayak, I'm not sure whether I'll make it.
I'm going to do what they do in the old days. I'm going to lead the passage. This is like the Northwest Passage in Canada. Right, you need to hold my canoe.
You could pull us both through.
Yes, I could, but I need to change my boots first.
Oh, right, okay.
Do you see what I'm talking about?
Right, okay.
You see what I'm up to?
Yeah, I see what you're up to.
Now, this is a very dangerous operation. Is this going in film?
It's on film.
Honestly, seriously. Now, these are my wading boots. Right, one booty in, I can feel the water coming right through. Hey, listen, see the thing, see if we don't get through after all this nonsense. Right, wellies and socks
Put this in there.
have now been changed to little boots.
We're going through inches of water, trying to find the passage through.
There is a way through.
I'm not confident yet.
Well, it's getting deeper, is it not?
Yeah, by inches. The water is now about 6 inches instead of 1 inch. And I'm beginning to see that there might be a way out round there. Hundreds of oyster catchers on the bank. Guy's confident enough. Look at your feet up on top of the kayak.
So I can get out.
We've successfully negotiated a way through between all the little skerries. We couldn't have done that unless the tide was in. The mountains up ahead are just stunning, and we can see the caravan park in the distance.
Listen. You hear them?
I can hear the bagpipes.
Is that not a pretty good entrance back? Playing the bagpipes for our homecoming.
Very twee.
I think we have a lone piper on the beach playing a lament. What do you think of it, you wee thing? Is it not brilliant? Is that not brilliant? Say something incredible.
Pretty good, it's pretty good.
He is pretty good. Could you sing for this place? Swing up. It's pretty good. I must admit, it takes a lot of beating. Right, you little thing. Beer and Walker spicy nuts. Thai curry crisp for you.
And I am brew.
Mickey Mouse ale.
Right, Tassie in the boat. What a great day.
What does this day rank?
It ranks pretty highly. Get in that boat properly. Stop showing off.
That was amazing.
Amazing Grace.
Amazing, you little thing. That's phenomenal, honestly. Getting your own piper.
This is us just back now to the campsite. Look at the mountains just beyond. Is it not the best? And here we can just glide the kayaks straight into the shore, right onto the sand below the van. Don't even have to walk anywhere.
Right, go for a left if you want to get wheels. Great, you wee thing, great.
Great fire. Absolutely brilliant. Right on the beach. Oh, brilliant end to a day.